Before starting the new topic, I am so thankful to all of you for your love and support. Thanks a lot to my team members. Thanks again. Your support encourages me to make more and more videos with short and easy method that helps to clear your exams. So in this cheerful morning, with continuation of our organic name reaction, today we are approaching our 8th reaction, that is Getterman reaction, which is very important according to exam point of view. Thanks again, and now without disturbing anyone and without time wasting, we are approaching to our reaction. This is our 8th name reaction. First we discuss as usual main points of the reaction. If I say this reaction is the modification of Sandmeyer reaction, modification of Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer, as we have done tomorrow, and if you have not seen the video, you can go to description box. There will be link of Sandmeyer reaction. Second one, formation of aryl halide. Formation of aryl halide as a desired product. Desired product. Aryl halide you can represent ARX. X may be chlorine or bromine. Here there will be no presence of fluorine because formation of fluorobenzene will generate another name reaction. We will also discuss in next video, that is Balch-Schiemann reaction. Balch-Schiemann reaction for formation of fluorobenzene. Third one, reaction takes place, reaction completes in presence of, you should write with me, copper powder and hydrochloric acid. That means you can say acidic medium is needed for the reaction. You can take screenshot of main points of the reaction. After that we move the reaction and then reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism is very similar to Sandmeyer reaction, and Sandmeyer reaction mechanism we have discussed already. First I am revising you Sandmeyer reaction. We will compare both reaction as both are very similar to each other. In Sandmeyer reaction we have discussed, this is our aniline, primary aromatic amine in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature range. That means you can say ice cold water you have to take for the reaction system. This will generate HNO2, formation of diazonium salt and positive triple bond NCl negative. In most of books it is also written as, you can write this in this way. This is also simple and this is also correct. This is your BDS, benzene diazonium salt. Up to here this is diazotization part. Diazotization reaction. But after this, if you are taking CuCl and HCl, formation of aryl halide, here chlorobenzene will be formed with removal of nitrogen gas. We have discussed mechanism of the Sandmeyer reaction. This is your Sandmeyer reaction. We will compare Sandmeyer and Getterman. Sandmeyer reaction. There must be no confusion at all for these two name reactions. These two name reactions are very important. This is up to here, this is your Sandmeyer reaction. Although in Getterman reaction we will also prepare aryl halide, but reagent is changing in Getterman reaction. In Gattermann reaction, we are taking copper powder. In HCl, acidic medium is needed here, and generation of chlorobenzene takes place according to Gattermann reaction. Therefore, you should concern about the reagents which we have taken. If examiner is asking CuCl and HCl, that means cuprous chloride. In place of CuCl, it may be also given Cu2Cl2. These both are same molecule. Formation of aryl halide, in this case, if you are taking HBr in place of HCl, then formation of what product? So simple, bromobenzene will be formed during the reaction progress. And mechanism of Sandmeyer reaction we have done already. Same mechanism you have to follow for Gattermann reaction. Also for you are getting the point which I am clearing to you for the difference between Sandmeyer and Gattermann reaction. You should note down in your notebook. This is our Gattermann reaction. Now we are making a chart for Gattermann and Sandmeyer reaction both. This is our benzene disonium chloride, N positive triple bond NCl negative. In presence of CuCl and HCl, Sandmeyer you have to take. This you concern Sandmeyer reaction. Formation of chlorobenzene with evolution of nitrogen gas, you can say. But in presence of copper and HCl, copper powder, you can say. Formation of aryl halide, that is Cl, with removal of N2 gas. This becomes your Gattermann reaction. You can see the difference very clearly. Gattermann reaction. Hope so far you have cleared the Gattermann reaction. This is so simple and so short reaction. This molecule is our best molecule, or you can say this is very important molecule, as this molecule is used in our conversion method. We have to assume this molecule as our preference molecule. This is the product of diazotization reaction, and this will work as a reactant molecule for Gattermann reaction. Now, if you are taking CuBr in presence of HBr, then formation of bromobenzene, and this becomes your again Sandmeyer reaction. And if you are taking CuCN in presence of KCN, here you will not take HCN. Now question arises, in both of these reaction we are taking HCl and HBr, but in this reaction I am taking KCN. This is the reason because HCN is a very weak acid and this will not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Therefore we are taking here KCN, potassium cyanide, which ionizes itself, and formation of cyanonitrile as your major product. You should carry on this reaction, and we will focus in our next video for generation of this molecule with mechanism of Balch-Siemann reaction. Okay, if you have any doubt you can comment me in comment section, and if you are feeling any problem for carrying the mechanism up to our 8th reaction, then you should also comment me in comment section. Okay, thank you very much.